Welcome to Weekly Overview Podcast brought to you by LECTURA and featuring global news from the world of machinery. I'm Patrick Eder, editor at LECTURA. Thanks for tuning in. We've selected 10 stories out of 45 news that we've received and published during the week 38. Please visit our website LECTURA Press at www.lectura.press to read all 45 news from this week and thousands of articles from our archive. Monday, the 20th of September. Could you pull a 100-ton Volvo hauler using only Lego Technic elements? It seemed impossible. They said it couldn't be done, but leave it to some of the brightest young minds to come up with a solution. In an audacious engineering challenge set by Volvo Construction Equipment in collaboration with the Lego Group, young people from around the world united to take on this fiendishly difficult task. Flexible high performance, sustainably aligned. Near Lausanne in western Switzerland, the Upper Austrian specialist SBM Mineral Processing erected a high-performance stationary concrete mixing plant with 2 self-sufficient production lines and connected 6,000 cubic meters high slow storage for primary and secondary aggregates in an installation time of just under 10 months. Tuesday, the 21st of September. LiuGong Dresta Machinery showcased its newest machines and impressed Polish operators at the EROSEM show. LiuGong Dresta Machinery has participated once again in the 9th edition of EROSEM event in Lubień Kujawski with a lineup of 13 machines, 5 demo and 8 static, and a giant stand covering a whopping area of 2,400 square meters. Iveco and Nikola signed MOU with Hamburg Port Authority for zero-emission Class 8 battery electric trucks. On the occasion of the Nikola Iveco Europe joint venture manufacturing facility opening in Ulm, Germany, the parties announced an accord to collaborate on the testing and subsequent implementation of heavy-duty electric vehicles and charging infrastructure at the Port of Hamburg during 2022. Wednesday, the 22nd of September. Autonomous CAT 794 AC mining truck equipped with CAT MineStar Command for hauling makes its MineExpo debut. The 794 AC truck field fleet has tripled over the last 2 years to more than 150 units, with the highest hour truck logging more than 52,000 hours. They are working in coal and hard rock, deep pit and flat hole sites at low and high altitudes and operating in poor underfoot conditions in 9 countries covering 4 continents. Doosan adds new DX245-NHD-7 heavy-duty crawler excavator. Stefan Die, excavator product specialist at Doosan, said, "The DX245-NHD-7 adds a new highly sturdy option in the medium-sized range of crawler excavators from Doosan. With regard to the name of the machine, the M stands for narrow track and the HD stands for heavy duty, illustrating its suitability for the most challenging applications." Thursday, the 23rd of September. Wirtgen SP 1600 slipform paver sets world record during concrete paving in India. Using the modified Wirtgen SP 1600, Patel Infrastructure Private Limited succeeded in completing a 4-lane motorway, including hard shoulder with a working width of 18.75 meters over a distance of 2.56 kilometers within 24 hours, a new world record. In fact, a total of 4 world records were entered into the India Book of Records and the Golden Book of World Records in connection with the construction project. Bobcat shows real claws again at InnovAgri 2021. Bobcat exhibited at the outdoor InnovAgri event from 7 to 9 September 2021 at Outarville near Orléans in South Paris, in France. It was the first major industry show attended by farmers in France and one of the first major events in this sector in Europe since the COVID pandemic started, attended by over 60,000 farmers from across the country. Friday, the 24th of September. All good things comes in threes. Pythagoras once said that 3 is a perfect number. To satisfy many construction sites, MB Crusher manufactured 3 new grapples designed and built with the company's philosophy in mind, to simplify the work on site, reduce the time spent processing material, and save on operational costs. JCB launches Stage 5 powered reduced swing X-Series excavator. JCB has announced the first Stage 5 reduced swing model in its growing X-Series crawler excavator lineup. The 245XR will compete in the 22 to 26 ton reduced swing market with a focus on exceptional levels of operator comfort, stability, productivity, efficiency, and serviceability. And that's it for this week's news. Stay tuned to LECTURA Podcast and see you next week. Please visit our website LECTURA Press at www.lectura.press to read all 45 news from this week and thousands of articles from our archive.